Halloween. Just take one, please.
Told you. No, I told you.
Mommy, I home.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Stevens. I have your delivery.
Please leave it around the side of my house. Excuse me, can I help you?
Hello!
Whoa, ho, ho.
Introducing August Doorbell Cam Pro, a smart doorbell that lets you see and speak with visitors right from your phone. The August Doorbell Cam features a full HD camera and built-in floodlight, so you can see your guests at night.
Hey, it's me.
I'm sorry, I'm running late. Let me let you in.
The August Doorbell Cam connects to any August smart lock, so you can remotely unlock and lock the door for guests. Now you can control and monitor your front door from anywhere. As soon as motion is detected, the floodlight will activate, always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests. And you'll receive an instant alert on your phone, so you can see or speak to whoever's there. If you missed the live video, don't worry. August Video Recording and Hindsight technology captures every activity from the beginning to the end and stores it for free in the app for up to 24 hours. August Doorbell Cam works in any home with an existing wired doorbell, available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
With the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus,
Hey, are you guys home?
see and speak to anyone at your door, no matter where you are.
A package for John?
Hey, thanks. Leave it on the front porch.
Plus, see even more with pre-roll. It starts recording even before you receive a motion alert, so you never miss a moment. Works with your lights, lock, alarm, and camera, all right from the Ring app.
Anything going on at the house?
All good.
Bring enhanced security and peace of mind to any home with the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus.
Hello.
Happy birthday! Hello! Hey, Mom!
Hello, the package here.
Please leave the package.
Hey, can I help you?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.